Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, let us see next question to prove that certain language is not context free using pumping lemma. Over here, the language under consideration is a to the power n factorial. So we know that the first step is selecting m. That is done by the opponent. Having the value of m selected, we have to select the string that is required. Let us say the string that we are taking is a to the power m factorial. Now the opponent has to split this string into parts v, x, y such that after pumping v and y, we will still get a string which is belonging to the language. Before that, as the string is a to the power m factorial, we know that the length of w would be m factorial, which is definitely more than m itself. Let us write down the structure of this particular string and let us try to find the values of v, x and y if possible. So the string is a to the power m factorial. If we expand it, it will be of the form a number of a's. No matter how we split it, we will get vxy of the following form, that is v will be some number of a's, let us say e to the power k. Similarly, y will also be some number of a's, let us say e to the power l. Now, after pumping, if the string belongs to this particular language, this particular string should be of the form m factorial minus k plus l. That means if we remove the pumping part of that particular language, this particular string should also belong to the language. For belonging to the language, it should be of the form n factorial. Let us say after removing the v and y part, the string obtained is some length j factorial. But does a j like this exist? That is a question. If it does exist, then it is passing pumping lemma. It may or may not be context free. But if we prove that such a j cannot exist, then we can say that this language is not context free. According to the criteria of pumping lemma, we know that k plus l must be less than or equal to m. If this is the case, we can say that m minus k plus l, this particular number must be greater than m minus 1 factorial at least. If this is the case, then j factorial, something like that, between m minus 1 factorial and m factorial does not exist. Simply, this means that j is not possible. If such a value of j is not possible, the language is not context free. Because over here we are failing the pumping lemma. Having done this question, now let us see a few more questions in the coming videos to prove that certain language is not context free using pumping lemma. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned to Ekeeda and do subscribe.